High pigment carbon black series, fine particle size, easy to disperse, acidic, good wettability, widely used in automotive paint, high-grade paint, offset printing ink, color powder, and engineering plastics. Carbon black ball pressing machine can be powder carbon black powder, forced extrusion by the ball pressing machine, making molding. Let related industries use carbon black powder ball press in machine, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste. It has good economic and social benefits. After years of industrial use and improvement, carbon black ball press has obvious advantages, such as high pellet rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. Carbon black ball press is widely used in resistant materials, power plants, metallurgy, chemical industry, energy, transportation, heating, and other industries.